Now come to question number 5. Here the points P, Q, R, S, T, U, A and B on the number line are such that TR equal to RS equal to SU and AP equal to PQ equal to QB. Name the rational numbers represented by P, Q, R and S. Here TR equal to RS equal to SU. It means distance between U and T is divided into three parts, and if you take one part it will be 1 upon 3, if you take two parts it will be 2 upon 3, and if you take three parts it will be 3 upon 3, that is 1. Again, distance between A and B is again divided into three equal parts, and if you take one part it will be 1 upon 3, if you take two parts it will be 2 upon 3, and if you take three parts it will be 3 upon 3. Therefore, a rational number represented by P equal to up to A it is 2, and P we are taking one part, it will be 1 upon 3, it will be 2 1 upon 3, and if you convert it into improper fraction it will be 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7, 7 upon 3. It means rational number represented by P is 7 upon 3. Similarly, rational number represented by Q equal to 2, and Q here we have taken two parts, it can be written as 2 2 upon 3, that is converted into improper fraction, the 2 3 is 6 plus 2 8 upon 3. Therefore, rational number represented by Q it is 8 upon 3. Now rational number represented by R equal to minus 1, or you have to take one part, that is 1 upon 3, because distance between U and T is divided into three parts and we are taking first part, it will be 1 upon 3. Here convert it into improper fraction, you will get minus 1 3 is 3 plus 1 4 upon 3. Now rational number represented by S equal to minus 1, whereas we are taking two parts, that is 2 upon 3, convert it into improper fraction, it will be minus 1 3 is 3 plus 2 5 upon 3. This is your answer. Now come to question number 6. Which of the following pairs represent the same rational number? Say first part. It is minus 7 upon 21 and 3 upon 9. The write in simplest form. Minus 7 upon 21. Cancel it by 7. You will get 7 1 j and 7 3 j. You will get minus 1 upon 3. And take second number, rational number, that is 3 upon 9. Write in simplest form. Cancel it by 3. 3 1 j and 3 3 j 9. It is 1 upon 3. What we observe that therefore we can say that minus 1 upon 3 is not equivalent to 1 upon 3. So minus 7 upon 21 is not equivalent to 3 upon 9. Now come to second part. Minus 16 upon 20 and 20 upon minus 25. Here write in simplest form. Minus 16 upon 20. Here cancel the terms. So by 4, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. You will get minus 4 upon 5. Take the second rational number. It is 20 upon minus 25. Here simplify it. Cancel it by 5. 5 4 is 5 5 is 25. It is 4 upon minus 5. Multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1. What will you get? Minus 4 upon 5. What we observe? That both the rational numbers are same. Here since minus 4 upon 5, it is equivalent to minus 4 upon 5. Therefore, minus 16 upon 20 is equivalent to 20 upon minus 25. Both are equal. Now come to third part. Minus 2 upon minus 3 and 2 upon 3. Write in lowest form. Minus 2 upon minus 3. Here multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1. You will get 2 upon 3 What we observe? Since 2 upon 3, it is equivalent to 2 upon 3. Therefore, minus 2 upon minus 3 is equivalent to 2 upon 3. They are same. Now fourth part, minus 3 upon 5 and minus 12 upon 20. Here minus 3 upon 5 in lowest form, it is same. It is minus 3 upon 5 only. Let us take second rational number, minus 12 upon 20. Here simplify it by 4. 4 3 ja 12, 4 5 ja 20. We will get minus 3 upon 5. Since minus 3 upon 5, it is equivalent to minus 3 upon 5. Therefore, minus 3 upon 5 is equivalent to minus 12 upon 20. Both are same. Now come to fifth part. It is 8 upon minus 5 and minus 24 upon 15. Here take 8 upon 5 minus 5, multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1. We will get minus 8 upon 5. Take second rational number, that is minus 24 upon 15. Here cancel the terms by 3. 3 8 ja 24, 3 5 ja 15. This is equivalent to minus 8 upon 5. What do we conclude? Since minus 8 upon 5 is equivalent to minus 8 upon 5, therefore minus 8 upon minus 5 is equivalent to minus 24 upon 15. Now come to sixth part. One upon 3 and minus 1 upon 9. Here both are in simplest form. Therefore, 1 upon 3 is not equivalent to minus 1 upon 9. Now come to seventh part. It is minus 5 upon 9 and 5 upon minus 9. Here minus 5 upon minus 9. Here multiply it by minus 1. You will get 5 upon 9. Since 5 upon 9 is not equivalent to 5 upon minus 9, therefore minus 5 upon minus 9 is not equivalent to 5 upon minus 9. Now come to question number 7. Rewrite the following rational numbers in simplest form. Say first part, it is minus 8 upon 6. Here simplify it, cancel the terms. Minus 8 upon 6, you can cancel by 2. 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6. It can be written as minus 4 upon 3. This is your answer. Now second part, 25 upon 45. Here simplify it, 25 upon 45, cancel it by 5. 5 5 ja 25, 5 9 ja 45. It can be written as 5 upon 9. This is your answer. Now third part, minus 44 upon 72. So minus 44 upon 72. Simplify it, divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4 1 ja. Again by 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4 8 ja 32. It can be written as minus 11 upon 18. Your answer. Now fourth part, minus 8 upon 10. Minus 8 upon 10. Cancel it by 2. 2 4 ja 8 and 2 5 ja 10. This can be written as minus 4 upon 5. This is your answer.